why do zebras have stripes? Why should such an obvious pattern be present on such a large prey animal in the African Serengeti? We were looking at what factors influence the evolution of these bold stripes on these animals. And we essentially were comparing lots of other hypotheses that have been posed in the past and allowing them to compete against each other in one broad analysis. Do these stripes serve as a camouflaging coloration pattern? Do they serve as a warning coloration to predators? Might they serve as a form of individual recognition for other zebras? So our research was aimed at trying to compare these hypotheses and pit them against each other in one grand analysis. What we found time and time again in every analysis on every part of the animal was that flies, biting flies like tsetse flies and biting flies, things that will suck your blood and possibly transmit pathogens to the animal, were the best predictors of the presence of stripes. When we found that there was such a perfect correlation between the presence of stripes and biting flies in the environment, we were really surprised because it's such a non-intuitive hypothesis. To think that such a bold pattern evolved in response to such small little flies is really a hard thing to understand, but when you think about it, it can make a lot of sense. Cows, for instance, can lose gallons and gallons of blood every year just because they're exposed to flies in their environment. Lots and lots of diseases can be transmitted by these flies as well. So these small little flies can exert quite a strong selective pressure on zebras to avoid being bitten.